What's up, guys? This is John from johnmcneil.com, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make multiple streams of income with Clickbank products. Now guys, if this is the first time you come to my channel, my name is John from johnmcneil.com, and on this channel I teach you all about affiliate marketing and making money from home. So if that interests you in the least little bit, you definitely want to subscribe to the channel by clicking that little blue John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen, and go ahead and click that little bell icon so that you're notified every time I release a new video. So without further ado, guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make multiple streams of income with Clickbank products right here, right now. All right, guys, John from johnmcneil.com. And when a female gets married, right, when she decides that she's going to get married and she has to have the wedding of her dreams, you know, there is a lot of things that happen. So this is a demonstration of a female. Don't laugh at her hair. But this is a female, let's just call her Rosie, and she's going to get married, right? So she's deciding to do this one action. She's deciding to get married. Now, when you get married, you have a wedding. And within that wedding, there's one thing that's happening, but there's multiple people getting paid in this process, right? So when you get married, you know, basically you have the florist that gets paid. You have the photographer that gets paid. You have the caterer that gets paid. You have maybe the venue that you have the reception at gets paid. Maybe the person that sells the wedding dress, the store or whatever, they get paid. So all of these people in this process are getting paid. Ooh, I haven't done this in a long time, guys. The paint thing. So the one process is happening with this female, but multiple people are getting paid. And I know this was kind of a silly demonstration to start off this video with, but what I was trying to basically demonstrate with my terrible drawing is that you need to set up your business, your online business, getting paid with multiple streams of income, just like, you know, this girl, like Rosie did with her wedding, or all these people did, right? So you need to set up your business with multiple streams of income. Now, it's not very likely, and I haven't found in a very long time, that there's an actual Clickbank product or program that you're able to actually get paid multiple streams of income. But recently I actually found one, and I'm going to show you guys this today. So this is a program that is a Clickbank product that you can get paid for multiple with multiple streams of income. And what this is basically a 10K challenge, which is done by the 4% Club. And you can see up here multiple streams of income. And the whole premise of this product is to teach people, you know, newbies, people that have never really made money online, to basically start their business from scratch. So if I knew nothing about internet marketing or affiliate marketing, this would be a program that I could join to learn everything about marketing, about lead generation, about conversions, about traffic generation, and all the technical components that come along with building your online business. Now you can see here in the back office, they have a multiple streams of income. So one of the benefits of being a part of this particular program is you can get paid through Clickbank. You have your Clickbank ID, but then there's other different revenue streams that are automatically implemented within the program as you're building your online business. As this program teaches you to build your online business, there's going to be some tools that you need. So there's no guess that, like, if you're going to be doing online marketing, that you're going to need squeeze pages. You're going to need tracking. You're going to need autoresponders. You're going to need traffic. Like, these are things that you're just going to need. So you can get paid through Clickbank. You can get paid through ClickFunnels, which is a place that you can, create your sales funnel. ClickMagic is a place where you can get your tracking, so you can actually track your campaigns. GetResponse, Aweber, Udemy. This is a solo ad network that you can affiliatize and actually get paid from. So within this program, this 10K challenge program, in which, they're teaching people how to build their online business, you can also get paid through these multiple streams of income. Now, this isn't something that you're just trying to push on people and trying to force them. This is things that people need. They absolutely need these things. If they're serious about building their business, these are things you got to have an autoresponder. If you're doing affiliate marketing and you don't have an autoresponder, you're crazy. You know what I'm saying? You need to be building your list. You need to have a squeeze page. These are things that people need. So, like, why not benefit from things that people need? A lot of times, people are selling things that people absolutely don't need, and it doesn't benefit them any. But why not, as you're doing some marketing, you sell things that people absolutely need. So this is just kind of an example of one ClickBank product that actually has multiple streams of income within it. And like you said, it does have a 10K challenge, and I'll just show you guys real quick so you guys know what I'm talking about. So in level 1, this teaches you how to go from 0 to 10K in like 90 days. And it has bite-sized videos. So, it's video day by day. And it just goes down for like 90 days, right? So in each day, you're learning something new, from, personal development to setting up your business, all the technical components. And it's step by step. So you're setting up your autoresponder. It shows you on video. Click this button, press this button, copy and paste this code, put it right here. This is how you connect your squeeze page. This is how you add your tracking. This is how you do how you start getting traffic. Everything is day by day, step by step. And it takes you for 90 days until you can get to, your 10K. And that's why they call it the 10K challenge. And within these days that you're learning how to build your business, and you can use any business. So you can use these steps to promote any affiliate product that you want, any program that you want. So you don't have to promote the challenge itself. You can promote anything you wanted to promote, but it just teaches you the fundamentals on how to build your business. And within those fundamentals, some of those core products that we just discussed are going to be recommended for anybody. It doesn't matter what niche you're in. It doesn't matter what you're selling. If you're selling something online, you're going to need a sales funnel. You're going to need an autoresponder. You're going to need tracking. You're going to need, traffic, right? So this is just a no-brainer, right? So this is just something that I wanted to show you guys. It's been a while since I found a ClickBank product that actually promotes multiple products within the actual product itself. And I can tell you from me going through the first 11 days that it's quality training, and it makes a lot of sense. I've already learned a lot of things just within the first 11 days. Not from just like, a traffic perspective and some technical stuff that I learned, but also a lot for like mindset as well, because that's deeply rooted in every session. So I'm just going along with these sessions. I'm learning something every day. So I wanted to share this with you guys. And if you guys want to check this challenge out, you can actually check it out for like $1. It costs $1, I think, for the first 30 days. You can come in here and literally spend 30 days in here and just see what this challenge is all about and see how this can actually help build your business. So this is John from johnmcneil.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got a little bit of value out of it. So I'll have a link in the description for this 10K challenge. If you want to check it out, like I said, it's only $1. You can check it out and let me know what you guys think about it. So I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.